Yes, friends, in this video I am introducing you new subkinds of present tense. Actually you know it, so that's why I am trying to discuss with you much. Okay, so what is subkind here? Present continuous tense. Okay, present continuous tense means those actions of present tense which are happening at the time of speaking or which are going on. Or you can also give information about future actions which will take place after some time. Okay, which will happen after some time. म्हणजे अशा काही घटना की ज्या भविष्यात घडणार आहेत पण त्या तुम्ही आताही सांगू शकता कंटिन्युअस टेन्समध्ये. ओके, आणि ज्या आपल्या समोरच घडत आहेत, बोलण्याच्या वेळेलाच घडत आहेत, त्या तर बिलकुल प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्समध्येच येतील. काही गोष्टीची पटकन माहिती. कंटिन्युअस टेन्स ज्याला आपण म्हणतो त्यालाच आजकाल प्रोग्रेसिव्ह टेन्स असा एक शब्द यायला लागला बघा. सेम प्रोग्रेसिव्ह. घाबरायचं कारण नाही. ज्याला आपण प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स म्हणत होतो, नाव अ डेज इट इज कॉल्ड प्रेझेंट प्रोग्रेसिव्ह टेन्स, म्हणजे तोच टेन्स आहे. इन सम बुक्स यू मे गेट प्रेझेंट imperfect tense. Present imperfect tense. Not perfect means going on. Don't worry. Present continuous tense, present progressive tense or present imperfect tense. Same. चालू वर्तमान काळ किंवा आपण ज्याला अपूर्ण वर्तमान काळ आपण पण 2-3 शब्द वापरतो. सो डोंट वरी, and it is very useful in our day-to-day life. Okay, so this is second subkind of present tense, and now I am giving rule. So try to make these rules fair or list of these rules in your notebook or in the register, so it is very helpful. Okay, what is the rule of present continuous tense here? Think in your mind and then tell your rule. Subject, then am, is, are, then first form of verb with ing. Okay, ing form, then object, and then RPS. Nowadays we used to call it ing. Nowadays it is called V4th. ing form is called V4th. If you write rule like this, subject plus am, is, are plus V4th plus object plus RPS. Okay, so look, very simple formula, very useful formula, or very short formula, and you should use it in our day-to-day life, because tense or any language when we study, so that time for what? Only to communicate. So now it is your turn. Now you should use it. Okay, so already I have given formula. I will discuss about am, is, are. You know, am is used with I is with he, she, it and singular nouns, and are with you, we, they and plural nouns. Okay, so if you get any difficulty, try to pause the video, then note it down in your notebook, means you may get confidence here. Okay, then verb, object, remaining part of sentence we should write at the end. Okay, now look, I would like to say आपण चालू वर्तमान काळ शिकत आहोत. Yes, construct in your mind and then come with me. Subject, who? We. So what should I use here? We are. Then verb, शिकत आहोत, learn. ing form. We are learning present continuous tense. We are learning present continuous tense. Already I have mentioned that point in the heading, so there is no need to use again and again. Okay, we are learning present continuous tense. Next point, for example, मी माझ्या मित्राला फोन करत आहे. Suppose I am dialing number and you ask me, what are you doing, sir? आणि मग मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं की मी माझ्या मित्राला फोन करत आहे. Yes, कसं होईल? Subject, who? I am calling or phoning. Phone is also verb, you can use. I am calling or phoning my friend. I am calling my friend. I am phoning my friend, like this. Next sentence, घोरणे. घोरण्यासाठी शब्द तुमच्या कानावर येईल, तुम्हाला सर्वांना येतोच तो. जस्ट आय एम युझिंग इन माय सेंटेन्स. ओके, राजू मोठ्याने घोरत आहे. Yes, subject Raju. Then now is. Now you should use is. Raju is snoring. Snore. S-N-O-R-E. Okay, snoring loudly. Raju is snoring loudly. So, a sentence, rain. Rain verb you have to use in the sentence, and you have to give me the sense of present continuous tense. Use rain, present continuous tense. Okay, come with me. So sentence should be, it is raining. It is raining outside, or it is raining heavily outside. You can use, no doubt. Some students may write like this, rain is coming, rain is falling. Okay, acceptable, because when we communicate with next person, so that time he tries to understand your sense, your meaning. He doesn't find out your mistakes. So, but this is the best sentence. तुम्ही जरी तसं केलं, आपने वैसे बनाए, समझो कि रेन इज फॉलिंग, रेन इज कमिंग, सामने वाला आदमी he will try to understand you, but it is the best. It is raining heavily outside, like this. Okay, so try to make your own sentences. Use this verb you have to use. So you can make your own sentence and comment me. Okay, but I am making my sentence. For example, use, I would like to say, the farmers, subject. The farmers means I have taken more than one. So what should I use here? Of course, are. The farmers are this verb. The farmers are using solar energy. The farmers are using solar energy. Using solar energy, right? Farmers are using solar energy. So I made this sentence. You should also make your own sentences. You can use small, no doubt. For example, I am using red pen, a red marker. I am using duster. You can use, make small sentence. Okay, so you should make another sentence by using climb, and then reply me. Climb. Okay, one sentence now I am giving you in Marathi or in Hindi. Try to translate. त्याचे वडील दुकान चालवित आहेत. उसके पिताजी दुकान चला रहे हैं. चलाना, इथं रन, यू शुड यूज रन वर्ब. रन म्हणजे पळणे नाही. एखादी फर्म, एखादी कंपनी, शासन, सरकार चालवण्यासाठी पण तुम्ही रनिंग गव्हर्नमेंट असं घेऊ शकता. रन. व्हॉट वॉज माय सेंटेन्स? त्याचे वडील दुकान चालवित आहेत. उसके पिताजी दुकान चला रहे. try to translate that sentence into English, because already I have given in Marathi or in Hindi. So now I am giving sentence in English and translate it into Marathi or Hindi. What is my sentence? Look, I am enjoying life. I am enjoying life. Some people will say I am enjoying my life. You can use my life, no doubt. Try to translate it into Hindi or Marathi. I am enjoying my life, and reply me if you get any difficulty. Okay, so it was present continuous tense, very useful sentence construction. Use it, subscribe our channel and recommend your friends to subscribe. Okay, thank you my friends.